Hello, my name is Christopher Schrauf. I'm a senior solution architect here at CyberProof. Today, I want to demonstrate you how we perform adaptive managed XDR services powered by Microsoft. CyberProof is a proud member of the Microsoft Intelligent Security Association, MISA. And today I want to talk you through a demo, how we utilize the Microsoft E5 or XDR stack to prevent phishing attacks from happening. In the beginning of an engagement, CyberProof usually utilizes their use case management framework, where we deploy custom use cases. In today's scenario, I want to talk about a phishing attack in particular. So to look at that in Microsoft Sentinel, I have exported custom analytic rules into Microsoft Sentinel, in particular our malicious email received use case that will trigger an incident here in the incident pane. With the further investigation, we want to also look at the Microsoft Threat Intelligence that we query additionally to see if this is really true positive. In the incident, we see already that we got an alert triggered, malicious email received, and we see here that we are in the attack chain reconnaissance. There's a user involved, as well as an IP address, a server, and a URL. Usually in an engagement, CyberProof uses their service delivery platform to synchronize with incidents and alerts from Microsoft Sentinel. So this is here our service delivery platform. You see here the same alert is synchronized and generated in our service delivery platform. The analyst will see the following. He will get a short summary of the incident generated via AI. Then we extract observables from the Microsoft Sentinel incident directly, like the server, the username, the subject of the mail, the URL, and the sender IP, as well as the sender domain. If we look at the playbook, we have integrations in this playbook into the Microsoft XDR stack, like into Microsoft Sentinel, into the Microsoft Office 365 Graph Mail API, and into Active Directory. To guide you through this playbook, in the beginning, what we are usually doing is some housekeeping, aligning the MITRE ATT&CK ID from Sentinel and enriching it from MITRE framework directly. And when we are talking about URLs and phishing IPs, we usually do a lot of enrichment to see, okay, we are really talking about active phishing campaign triggering our clients' infrastructure and endpoints. With the enrichment, we can move into a decision tree. If a lot points out to a real phishing attack, we do response actions. For example, resetting the Active Directory password of the user and deleting the mail in Office 365 directly. So how does this look for our analyst? So what we are doing is, in the beginning, we are triggering a retro hunt to see if the infection has spread. Luckily, this is not the case. It's just one user. And we also triggering a search into the Microsoft Threat Intelligence framework. And as you can see here, they are also associating that URL as the IITM, adversary in the middle attack, that was recently spreading on Microsoft accounts, where the attachment wants to ask for authorization with Microsoft credentials. Virus Total Premium also tells us we are looking at a malicious IP from the sender, as well as a malicious URL that is associated with phishing. As you can see here, Abuse IDP gives us a low confidence, as well as our CyberProof integrated threat intelligence point to the same attack. The MITRE ATT&CK framework enrichment we see are in the exploitation stage. As well, we have remediation actions that we can discuss with our client. When we are talking about a malicious phishing attempt, we need to delete this mail immediately on Microsoft Office 365 and reset the password. If we reset the password, we can do additionally, we send the SMS to the user, inform him that his password has been reset, and also point him to the latest phishing training. In this case, we want to write down the comments directly into Microsoft Sentinel for our clients to see in Microsoft Sentinel as well. This looks like that. Here we have the integration back into Microsoft Sentinel, and you can see here in the case comment that we tell our clients that we have deleted the email with the subject, as well as the ticket to the local service team to close this domain and the proxy directly. And this is how we reduce the mean time to respond to threats with the Microsoft XDR or E5 stack. Thank you very much for listening in. Bye-bye.